What's up, YouTube? Happy New Year. Hopefully 2022 is a hell of a lot better than 2021. So it's been a few minutes since I posted a video, so I just wanted to give you a small little update showing you what I've been working on the last couple of weeks. Ish. Haven't been doing a whole lot, so that's why it's going to be a quick update. So first off, I kind of straightened up the garage a little bit. It's kind of hard for you guys to see it, but it was a clusterfuck during holidays. Yeah, all the shit in the garage. So one of the things that I've already done is I've kind of cleaned up the 4L80E. I'm not doing a perfect job on it, just trying to get all the grease and muck off of it. So the top of it's all cleaned off. I'm probably just going to leave it in the bare aluminum cast. I don't think I need to paint it. I don't know if I'm going to go to that. I didn't clean off the very bottom. It's a heavy son of a bitch. I don't want to be trying to flip that up on a workbench and flipping it over. So what I'll do is once in the car, I'll drop the pan. I'm probably going to change the pan for a better cooling, to allow for better cooling. Swap it out to a nicer pan. So at that point, I'll be able to make that nice and clean. So, but there's the transmission all cleaned up, ready to go. I still got to take some crap off of it, but bolts are froze. I gotta figure out how to get those off. That'll be something for another day. And then I've been working on cleaning up the motor. So I've got this side mostly done. So you see the valve cover's nice and clean. Looks like crap. These castings are garbage. When I used to powder coat, I used to get these things all the time for people to coat. I'm probably just gonna paint them. I don't know. That remains to be seen. I didn't do anything to the head. I'm going to change these out. I do not like these 317 iron heads. So I'm probably going to go with a 706, maybe 799 head, or if I can find a set of LS3 heads and LS3 intake, I might go that route. But down here on the bottom, you know, a couple months ago, a year ago, I had scraped off all the paint and the rust crap on it, but it was still kind of greasy. So I ran over with some brake clean as well as some wax and grease remover, and it's nice and dry, and it's actually just got to be scuffed up and sanded a little bit, and then I can spray paint the block. Didn't do anything with the oil pan because that's coming off. No reason to clean it. It's gonna be scrapped or something, so why bother cleaning it? I tried to get the front pulley off. My gutless impact doesn't have the torque to spin it loose, so I gotta do something there and get that harmonic balancer off, or the main crank pulley, whatever, just so I can get that off, and so I can clean up the timing cover, as well as swap the cam and just put a new timing chain on here, because this motor's got 190 200k miles on it, as you can see here. Well, I was thinking, I don't think I've ever shown you guys, at least on YouTube, what the inside of this motor looked like. I don't know if the light's picking it up very well. It's kind of hard to see because it's black. It's just nasty. So this was a 2500 Silverado GMC. I don't remember. I think it was a Silverado. But it was a work truck, and they just drove the piss out of it. So yeah, it's a dirty sumbitch on the inside. I'm working on the passenger valve cover here. It all looked like this. You can see here it's somewhat clean. I still got a lot of work to do there. But yeah, that's what the inside of it looks like. Let's see, not so good on oil changes in its life. And then I gotta, as you can see here, I started with the wax grease remover on this and some brake clean, but it still has got a lot to go before it's ready to be painted. So that's where we're at with this. Once I get this all cleaned up, and then that side, I'm going to pull the intake and clean the valley cover, and I'll wipe down the top of the head just so I'm not dumping shit in the engine. So that'll be next. That's where we're at. Sorry, nothing exciting. Quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks.